1, 2, 3, let's start. Okay, as you can see, we are learning about measurement. We will learn about length, height, weight, and capacity. What is length? It's the measurement of something from end to end. What does that mean? Let's check in this picture. Here, as you can see, I have two vases, and I'm checking the length from the bottom, from left to right, from end to end, and they are exactly the same. While in these two plates, if I check the measurement from left to right, I can find that the one on the top is longer than the one at the bottom. And for this, we can use two words, either long or short. Now, our second concept is height. What does that mean? It's the distance from the bottom to the top of someone or something standing upright. For example, as you can see in these two pictures, I have two lanterns and I want to check the size. So I'm going to measure from the bottom of them to the top. For sure, you can tell me that the one on the right is taller. And if we can just check it with these happy faces, we will tell that it's really taller because we have extra happy faces on the right one than the one on the left. And for height, we'll use either tall or short. Let's watch this together.
Whoa! Look at this! Cheetah! Oops, I seem to have left my ruler in the bathtub again. What else can we use to measure this animal? I've got it! We'll use baseball caps. First, let's measure how tall the animal is. That means we've got to measure this way. To start measuring, move your star over to the baseball caps and click. Now, click on the line. 1, 2, 3. The cheetah is 3 baseball caps tall.
Wait, what is it? It's the heaviness of a person or thing. Now watch with me.
What's that? This is a balance. It compares the weight of what's on this side against what's on that side, and it shows you which is heavier. Like this. Now put your bowl of cereal on the other side. The side that goes down more is the heavier side. That means you have more cereal.
I'll fix that.
You did it! Your bowl of cereal and my bowl of cereal weigh exactly the same. They're equal.
What else can we weigh?
I wonder which weighs more, this apple or this banana?
Let's find out. The apple!
What do you think weighs more than this apple? A loaf of bread, maybe?
I have something better. I think Ollie is heavier than an apple.
Ollie wins! Do you think he's heavier than 2 apples?
Ollie wins again! This is fun!
What else can we weigh?
I wish we could weigh ourselves to see who's heavier, but we're too big for that little...
So now we can say that the part of the balance that goes down is the heavy part, while the one that goes up is the light part. If I just use a book and a pencil, for sure the book will move down and the pencil will stay up. And for this we'll use the words heavy. Now, capacity. What's the meaning? The amount that something can contain. Let's see this picture. By looking at the picture, we can say that the container on the left contains more water than the one on the right because it's bigger. While on the other one, we have almost the same size and shape for both containers. So we need to check this one out by ourselves. Now this is the left container. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 cups. While the one on the right will hold 1, 2, 3, 4 and a half, which means the one on the right holds more than the one on the left, and the one on the left holds less. Watch this with me. You can check this one by clicking on the link from the weekly plan. Now, after learning all of these ways of measuring height, length, weight, and even the capacity, we need to know about the standard measurement and non-standard measurements. As you can see in the picture, standard measurement are things that helps you, like ruler, could be a meter, could be a scale, could be a balance. All of these things will help you. But what if you don't have them? We can use the non-standard measurements like this. As you can see, we could use crayons, paper clips, toy cars, some balls, puzzles, and lots more at home. I'm sure if you can just go and check, you will find lots of things that you can use between your toys. Let's watch this video together.
Let's measure the classroom using non-standard measurement. That means instead of a ruler, we'll use something else. In this case, we can use our body. Lie down on the ground and we'll mark your spot with a block so you know where to lie down again. This way, we won't leave any spaces. Now go for it and measure the whole classroom. Keep lying down and marking your spot until you reach the other side of the room. You're almost there. Keep measuring. Hey, it looks like there's room for another half a body. Let's count our bodies and measure the room. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a half.
Now, on this one, you will measure all of these stuff using real coins and cubes or Legos if you have, and then write the number on the boxes. Okay, on this picture, you will measure the height. So you're gonna start from the bottom to the top, and then you're gonna tell me how many you need for each animal. While for the other one here, you will measure both the height and the length. Like for the fish, you need the height, while for the hat, you need the length. Now, for that one, you will see that you want to measure to check the capacity, and you're gonna circle only the one that holds more. For the last one, you will cut and paste the pictures according to the heavy and the light object.